You remember before we placed an order, we had 3,834 followers, and we still have 3,834 followers. So what we need to do right here is for us to actually refresh to know if this followers is already counting. So how then do we do that? We just need to draw this thing down right here. Once we draw it down, boom, you can see we have 3,965 followers, which means that the followers we just boosted right now has counted. This boost strategy is making TikTok account to explode in 2026, and I'm going to teach you guys how to use it in Ghana. It's very simple. Just make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. I'm going to introduce you guys to this website called growbettergh.com. All you need to do is for you to come to this platform, create an account, do exactly the same thing I'm going to do in this video. The link is in the description. Tap on the link, it will take you to the website. You just do exactly what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's go. So for you to create an account in this platform, just come to this sign up right here. You can see the sign up right here. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see username right here. Create a username and put your email right here. Put your password. Confirm your password right here, and you can see this box beside this I am human. Tap on it and allow it to load. It's going to tick, and once it ticks, come to this sign up right here and tap on it, and your account is going to be created. Easy peasy. But it because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I need to do right now is for me to log into my account and continue showing you guys how to do this. So let's go. So right now I'm logging into my account. As you can see right here, this is exactly how it looks like when you log into your account. The first thing we need to do is for us to come to this category right here. Just tap on the category. You can see Instagram followers, you can see other social media platforms followers right here. But today we are going to TikTok followers here. So right away I'm going to be selecting TikTok followers. So but in this video I'm going to be using this particular TikTok followers right here. Can you see this particular one that they wrote TikTok followers 10% a drop fast delivery new. This is the fastest service right here. So I just want to use it because I want these followers to reflect in this video. So let's select it. Once you select it, come to service, select service, and select the first one or the second one, but I like using the first one. Then read the description. The description right here is what describes what you're about to purchase, right? They say the quantity. They say the quality is worldwide profile, and also say start time is instant, and they say speed is 20k per day, which means you can actually get 20k followers a day, and they say the field is 10 days. So important note, they say when service is busy, the starting speed of the process may vary. They also say do not place a second order on the same link before your current order is completed in the system. Easy peasy. So all you need to do is when you place an order, a site specification your order is going to complete. Do not place another order on that particular link because it's going to contradict both of them, right? This the road link is where you put your link, right? So if you don't know how to copy your profile link, let me show you. All we need to do is to come to TikTok. If you want to copy your profile link, just come to this arrow up here. Can you see this arrow up here? Tap on it, and you can see this copy link down here. Can you see the copy link down here? Tap on it, and your link is copied, right? And well, there's what I want you guys to understand. Before we place an order right here, we had 3,834 followers. Just mark it because we are going to come back and you're going to see these followers are going to increase. So let's go. Once you come to Grow Better, paste your link right here and come to quantity. Quantity is the amount of followers that you want. I want only 100 followers in this video, so I'm going to insert 100. And once you put your quantity, the next thing is to click on this submit right here. Can you see the submit right here? Tap on it, and your order is received instantly. Easy peasy. All you need to do right now is for you to wait and these followers will start coming to your account. But before then, I want you guys to understand whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how then do you fund account in this platform? Is very simple. All you need to do is to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Tap on it, and you can see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund by your left hand side? Tap on it, and you are going to see the instruction right there. They say kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number, which is Momo, and you can see the name on it, which is Mustafa. And they say payment should be from 20 cedis up. Do not send below. And they say provide proof of payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Click on this link to get directed to our admin. Contact us. So what I'm going to do right here is for you to click on this contact us, or click on this WhatsApp icon right here in order to reach out to them. Once you click on this WhatsApp icon, it will take you to the WhatsApp number. Send them your proof of payment and your Grow Better username, and they're going to confirm your payment and complete it. And once they complete it, your balance will be reflected immediately, right? So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. So let's go back to TikTok to see if the followers we purchased has already counted, right? So right here, you remember before we placed an order, we had 3,834 followers, and we still have 3,834 followers. So what we need to do right here is for us to actually refresh to know if these followers is already counting. So how then do we do that? We don't need to draw this thing down right here. once we draw it down, boom, you can see we have 3,965 followers, which means that the followers we just boosted right now has counted. And if you look at this inbox right here, can you see this inbox right here? You can see 99 plus, and once you tap on it, if you come to this new followers right here, you can see 99 plus new followers here. If you tap on it, you can see these followers just started following us now. If you look right, all of them they are now. This was 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago, now. You can see this follower just entered now, which is the followers we just boosted, right? So this is exactly how you can actually boost your followers in Ghana. Very easy. All you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, and do exactly the same thing we just did in this video, right? So thank you all for watching this video from beginning to here. You guys are amazing, and see you in my next video.